What's going on, guys? Welcome back with another video. Today we are going to be playing the horror elevator. As you guys can see. Oh, what the? Kill SpongeBob. Okay, so today we're playing the horror elevator. As you guys can see by the title of the video. Bubble of badges. Okay. But pretty much we're going to be playing the horror elevator. I played this game before. It's really fun. But yeah. Oh, please. Oh, that's gonna fly. Okay, one is right there, or yeah. Move forward, dark room or long down. So, if you go right here. Oh, I'm top there. So each point in every run, you have to try and find an escape hatch oh, that's scary. Try and find an escape hatch to like, oh, no thank you. Oh, God. Oh. No thank you, I don't want to find an escape hatch anymore. I'm going to go there. Bye. Felicia, chill. I didn't do anything. They're all gonna fall off. Bye. I'm the only one. So yeah, that's pretty much what the game is all about. You buy stuff. I have 750 points, 114 skulls, 20 survivals, and 1 rebirth. And then it's all that. I don't use a lot of stuff. Siren head? Please scare me. Oh, Siren, what are you doing? Don't leave him back here, bro. No. Get me to the elevator. Succeed. Oh, I thought I could fly. No.
I suggest you take a twist so you can land.
Ah! Oh my God. Did you guys see that body go flying? That was scary. Holy crap. Right, the elevator is dropping. Survive. Oh! Okay, well, who's the killer? Oh, my this is on fire. What is that? Oh, it's Jason. That doesn't look like it. Okay, I died. But yeah, whenever you're on a map, since it's on the phone, you can try and find a safe house that looks like this. And once you escape, you go and you end up here. Oh, this song's lit. Ronald McDonald's. I think he took the McDonald's. I swear, I'm getting a Big Mac. Yo, wait, is this McDonald's? Hey! Oh! Give me the badge. Okay, where's the escape hatch? I don't think all maps have one, but. Whoa, no. Oh, he's using a patty to kill people. Okay, I will be AFK for like 2 seconds. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Get my donuts. Alright. SCP-096. Scary. But whatever, we got this. Holy crap. That's why I stay strapped. Oh, what are we supposed to do? Where is the monster at? Okay, we did it. We did it. We escaped. Alright, boys. One of my all-time favorite games, Sonic. No, that's the sound from FNAF. Oh, wait. Hatch up and see, this is one of the hatches we need to get to. We have to go. See, we escape. 30 points for escaping the floor. Let's go to the shop. Cat song, I think. Yep. Load. Oh, these are Robux? Screw that. My God. Wow. What? I'm out. Well, what is going on? Oh, we got Baldi's Basics? This game was a legendary game. Alright, got a badge. Where's the escape badge? Oh. Whoa! Crystal. Oh crap! Yo, Jason can't keep up. Yeet! Juke! Oh! Ha! I know there's an escape hatch somewhere. Oh! Yo, we found it, boys! We found it! Woohoo! Yes, sir! I'm eating donuts, so if I stop talking, it's me I'm chewing. But, that escape hatch, I don't think anyone found it. I scream. Oh, dang it. Oh, this is that animation, that's horror animation! I'm frozen! It like freezes you and kills you. Bro, where's the freaking... Bro, this ice cream, the game, it's really good. I like the game. That's scary. Actually, I can't call it skill. Something like that is better than half. Might as well wet, huh? Yeah, it's pretty hot, right? No, my god. I'm sorry, Sally. that scared me so badly. Watch me juke her out. Oh, them juke skills. See ya. So he's waiting up here for us. Yep. Let's go. Did you come out? For 60. Turn. Oh, why can't I move? He's gonna appear. Oh! Oh! What's up, fatty? What's up, bald-headed freak? What? Obviously I can. It's called skill, something this guy doesn't have. Am I still away? Huh? Exactly. That's what I thought. Oh, bro, Pennywise out here. I'm out! Bro, Georgie. Oh my god! Oh! Nap much? Oh crap. 3, 2, 1. Ah!